Today we're working on changing the air filter, cabin air filter on the 4 Series F36. This should be the same on any F30, 32, 36 model BMW. Tools and equipment we will want to use for this are going to be a 10mm socket, a T20 screwdriver bit, a couple pry tools, and your replacement air filter. First, you're going to want to find yourself under the glove box. You want to remove this lower panel. You're going to want to locate the two 10mm bolts that are underneath. And there. And there. Next, you're going to want to pry down on the panel. Very gentle. It's plastic. You'll have a connector on the side for an outlet that goes to a light, and one in the back. Gently pry these out. You can remove the whole plastic shroud. Once we have the shroud off, you can get up underneath. You'll find your way to the back. You'll notice this curved plastic piece right here. There's two T20s and a clip in the back. Once we get those off, we'll be able to remove the cabin air filter. Grab your T20.
Very awkward position. But grab your T20 and try to get up in there. 2 screws, left and right.
Gentle. And move it out of the way. And drop your filter. This one's really bad. And notate which way it shows the airflow direction. This one's very old, so it's kind of hard to tell. See here that this one is very dirty. You'll notice on the bottom there's a small arrow that dictates which way the direction of the airflow goes. You'll notice the curvature means that everything is passing through in that direction. You'll notice on this air filter it also has the same arrows. You just want to make sure that you make them match. Look at that difference. Let's get it in the car. Be careful putting it in, as you have to bend it and squeeze it at the same time. Once you have it, pull the retainer plate in, clip it all the way, and then put the screws back in. Alright, now that that's attached, we want to put the cover back on. Now, we want to reattach everything we unplugged earlier. Gently. Completely. I don't want to hear that click. Two nuts, 10 mil. Attached to the studs. Just like that, reinstalled. Now vacuum up any debris that may have fallen out. Just like that, we're done.